Okay, so I'm here with the Chigee AIO 6. I'm still battling firmware upgrade and video download connection issues. So one thing I thought I would do is format the SD card. And I did notice this when I put the card in. But so here, when you're in the format screen, I want to show you guys this. You have internal memory that you can format and also the SD card. So be sure you select the SD card and then select format. And then confirm it. It's going to format the card. And now I got to fail. Now I got success. Okay. Now it's going to check the read-write speed of the SD card. And it says it's insufficient, replace the SD card. So I'm not exactly sure what I got in there. I put in a small card for testing, but we're going to give that a shot. I'm going to pop the card out. I got good SD cards here, and we're going to replace it and see if that's the cause of any of these issues. All right, let's get this SD card swapped out. Not a fan of this SD card cover at all. Okay. So what I had in there was a Transcend. I can't really see the U rating, but that's okay. So I got a SanDisk Extreme here. I'm going to pop it in. Okay. Now let's immediately, let's see, use this code. Let's power this thing up, see what it does. New SD card. All right, detected format before use. Click OK. All right, CarPlay connection. Format success. It's going to check read-write speed. Okay, so it's happy with that card. So now what we'll do is we'll go and retest everything as far as connections and see if for some reason, maybe the OTA download will work now. So we'll do that first.